When we moved in about 4 years ago, we had one granddaughter, and 3.5 years later, we have 3 grandchildren now. So we had a game room at the back of the house that we hadn't done anything with. We decided we would make a playroom / little bunk room. One of the things we wanted to do was build a fire truck bed for our grandson. I went back and forth how I was going to incorporate a fire truck, vintage toys, put some girl things in there, baby dolls, and for about 4 months I really just struggled. And then on Instagram I found Courtney, and her style is everything that I love. So we met and asked her to come out, take a look. I gave her all of the ideas that I had and kind of my dilemma of putting it all together, and she said, no problem. This is going to be easy, it's going to be fun, and you're going to love it. Now it's done.
So guys, I was just wondering if y'all are excited to see the new room.
Are you ready to see it, Harrison?
What do you think?
I'm so excited.
You are?
Oh my goodness!
Do you like it?
Awesome.
A little!
I'm so
Isn't this awesome?
Oh my gosh! This is your new bed.
So, this is
That's where you get to sleep. What do you think?
I like it. A sweetie! I want one! Oh my god.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes!
She has incorporated everything that I wanted, vintage style with bright colors, the fire truck bed. We have another bed in there for the girls. It's been a great creative process. Every hurdle that I had, Courtney had the answer. She thought of things that I never, ever would have thought of. So our hope for the room is that the kids have a place to go in and be creative, where they can explore, where they can read, where they can have fun, and have Mimi and Grandpa in there with them too. Courtney did more than I could have ever imagined. Her style is what I want to be when I grow up.